I don't know about you, but I create a lot of content, and having chargers all over my apartment is just not cutting it for me. I need everything in one place. So this outlet has so many different ports for all kinds of chargers, and it works really well. You can also bring it wherever you go to bring like any of your items that you need to be charged. It's great. I highly recommend this product. There's USB chargers in here. You can literally fit any kind of charger. It easy plugs. You just plug it in the wall.